Right here we have our 3 most common smart films, white, gray, and black, where with a touch of a button, dynamic privacy just like that. Huge wow factor, amazing solution, not just for privacy, but also sun control, hence why we have different versions for different solutions. This is why you wanna join our iTints Academy, learning the 13-step proven system where right now we're doing glass decontamination, one of the first steps. When it comes to glass partitions, low iron glass, you wanna stay with a plastic razor blade because low iron glass scratches very easy. Now, when it comes to impact windows or insulated glass units, you could use razor blades. Just make sure they're stainless steel razor blades. But all that process you will learn in our 13-step system. After the final glass decontamination stage, it's gonna be squeegeed. 99% alcohol is used to remove any debris, any grease, and now it's ready for our window film installation. I'm about to show you why they call me Manny Blades. Right now we're about to show you a custom installation on a bezel of a frameless glass. This is how we were able to achieve perfect, to the T, smart film application. The glass installer, shout out to Anier. He has a glass company, Glazier, where he did all this out. We work with a lot of glass companies, glass glaziers that build out these frameless glass doors for either offices or homes where they have showers, where they have bathrooms, home offices. And these glass partitions have been the norm for commercial settings, that beautiful open look. And with the iTints technologies, you're able to achieve dynamic privacy whenever you need it. With that being said, installation of it, as you can see, we're doing our custom black digital zebra blinds. Going back to the main purpose. Now I'm gonna have to make a cut on the bezel. Manny Blades, about to show you how we get it done.
Ellos hablan mucho pero no hay instalación. Nosotros llegamos y se siente la presión. Casa millonaria, penthouse, corporación. Cada ventana fina queda en transformación.
Okay, so, all right guys, so right now we're in the showroom gallery, behind the scenes. So you can see we got fabrication going on, we got sales going on right here, we got installations going on right here. So technically this is our playground and soon to be the only training facility worldwide where you can learn how to install iTints technologies. So you can see right over here, this is our academy setup, different window systems, the ones that you can encounter in literally every home all around the world. You have swing doors, aka French doors, sliding doors, fixed windows, single hung, casement, frameless glass doors, frameless glass partition. I mean, look at this right here. Right now we're installing our iTints Digital Zebra blinds, the most dynamic smart film in the entire world. You can control the level of privacy in different patterns. How cool is that?